Car dealerships love selling cars, but the real money often comes later, in the service department. Every unexpected repair, every expensive part, and every hour of labor quietly adds to their profits. Some brands generate millions each year just from fixing vehicles that break down more often than owners expect. But not every SUV plays that game. In this video, we're breaking down 5 SUVs that are built to last and keep repair costs low. Models known for strong reliability, lower insurance costs, and excellent resale value. We'll also highlight which model years are the smartest to buy based on long-term ownership data and reliability reports. If you want an SUV that saves you money long after you drive it home, this list is worth watching. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins. Number 4. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid completely challenges what the industry treats as common sense. Normally, 3-row SUVs aren't expected to lead in reliability. They're larger, heavier, packed with more components, and built to carry more people, putting extra stress on the engine, transmission, and electrical systems. That added complexity typically means more problems over time, but this one defies that pattern. Consumer Reports gave the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid a reliability score of 88, a result that has competitors paying close attention. Now, let's talk performance. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander offers 3 powertrain options to fit different driving needs. First, a 2.4-liter turbocharged gas engine delivering 265 horsepower. Then, a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing 245 combined horsepower for drivers focused on efficiency. And for those who want serious power, the Hybrid Max pushes out an impressive 362 combined horsepower. All-wheel drive is available on gas and standard on Hybrid Max models, helping the SUV adjust to changing road conditions like rain, snow, or rough pavement. The McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension are tuned for a smooth, comfortable ride. Fuel economy remains competitive, up to 24 miles per gallon combined for gas models, 27 miles per gallon for Hybrid Max, and up to 36 miles per gallon combined for the standard hybrid. Towing capacity reaches 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Toyota also includes Toyota Care with 2 years or 25,000 miles of maintenance and 2 years of roadside assistance. Hybrid models get an 8-year/100,000-mile hybrid system warranty and a 10-year/150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. This is the 2026 Grand Highlander, built for modern families on the move. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV earns its spot because it delivers something increasingly rare: quiet, reliable excellence. No flashy gimmicks, no dramatic reinventions, just solid engineering in one of the most practical family SUVs on the road. Consumer Reports ranks it among the most dependable in its segment, and it's no surprise. Honda spent over a decade refining its hybrid technology, designing the CR-V hybrid to easily surpass 250,000 miles without major issues. What sets it apart is consistency. Owners report years of trouble-free driving, no battery degradation, no electrical failures, no transmission headaches. The electric motor delivers smooth acceleration, and the eCVT avoids the rubber band feel common in other CVTs. The gas engine rarely struggles unless you push it uphill. Mechanics love it for its simplicity. No fragile air suspension, no gimmicky sensors, no tech likely to fail once the warranty expires. It's a mature design built for longevity. Fuel economy sits around mid-40s miles per gallon, so savings add up quickly. Inside, it's classic Honda. Durable materials, intuitive controls, and zero rattles or premature wear. Resale remains strong too, at 68 to 70% after 3 years, rivaling Toyota-level reliability. If the Lexus NX350H is the tech-forward luxury hybrid, and the Highlander hybrid dominates 3-row space, the CR-V hybrid is the quiet workhorse that never lets you down. And even this dependable performer isn't alone. Another hybrid has been quietly ruling the compact SUV segment for years. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Its resale value is so strong, it could almost be considered investment grade. Often overlooked on dealer lots, the moment reliability data hits, this SUV commands respect. The RAV4 Hybrid is the quiet backbone of the SUV world. It doesn't chase trends or crave attention, yet it consistently competes with the CR-V Hybrid and Lexus NX350H. Consumer Reports ranks it as one of the most dependable vehicles in the US, and real-world owners confirm it. 4 years into its current generation, there's no recurring pattern of serious issues, no hybrid battery failures, no inverter problems, and no transmission breakdowns. It delivers the kind of predictable durability that mechanics trust. The secret lies in its powertrain. Toyota designed it for longevity, not flashy specs. This hybrid system shares DNA with Toyota's global commercial platforms, the same setups powering taxis and fleet vehicles that regularly exceed 300,000 miles. Fuel economy stays impressive, with owners reporting mid-40s miles per gallon even with full loads of passengers and cargo. High-mileage examples still return numbers close to factory ratings. Financially, it's equally dominant. 3-year resale sits around 70%, rivaling the Highlander hybrid and surpassing many luxury competitors. Inside, it's classic Toyota, durable materials, logical controls, and zero gimmicks prone to fail. Number 1. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is proving a lot of people wrong. Many assume Mazda can't compete with the biggest names in the SUV world, but the data says otherwise. The CX-50 just scored 71 for reliability from Consumer Reports. And surprisingly, it's built in Alabama, not Japan. What really sets it apart is what Mazda did under the hood. They refined their Skyactiv engine using ultra-precise manufacturing techniques inspired by luxury watchmaking. Components are measured to tolerances most automakers wouldn't even try. The result? 0 catastrophic engine failures, 0 transmission replacements, and 0 major electrical issues reported in the first year. While many modern SUVs rely on excessive tech that often breaks, Mazda went the opposite direction. No oversized touchscreens dominating the dash, no paid subscriptions for basic features, no risky over-the-air updates. The focus was simple: long-term durability. Owners report something unusual. The CX-50 actually feels more solid after 30,000 miles. Panel gaps stay tight, doors sound the same, and there are no rattles. Inside, Mazda avoided cheap plastics, using stitched surfaces and multiple layers of sound insulation. At 68 decibels at 70 miles per hour, cabin noise rivals luxury sedans. The predictive all-wheel drive system actively reads road conditions hundreds of times per second, sending power before traction is lost. Drivers in real mountain snow say it outperforms SUVs costing twice as much. Most telling of all, mechanics say CX-50s come in only for routine service. No warning lights, no glitches, just maintenance. For a new platform, that's almost unheard of.